Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan from Paradise Hope. So guys, please subscribe my channel, please like this video. If you want to see more videos like 3GS, IoT and software development related videos. So let's start. So there is one error I am getting from 3GS. Error is 3GLTFLoader, no DRACOLoader instant provided. When I am trying to load one GLB model, I can show you in my code. Here I am trying to load B.glb model. I am getting this error. If I comment out this, I can show you this complete code. Here is a I am trying to load. I make an instance of GLTF loader. This loader is loading, trying to load GLB model. There's a variable. So now it is added in a scene. So that is the only I'm doing here. If I comment out, now I am trying to reload. Actually, it is already reloaded. So now there is no error. Okay, when I am trying to this uncomment and now trying to again load, I am getting this error. So how we can solve this issue? So you need to first of all you need to import this DRACOLoader from 3GS. There is a example GSM loader DRACOLoader.js. So actually that is the parts that GLTF model, they have some encryption inside it, so they will pass. So after this you need to add this line, you need to make an instance of this. So I make instance of this instance. You need to set decoder path. So you need to use this decoder path. It is a online hosted where they are use that decoding all kind of files from here. Now when you load this, uh, just there is a I need to reload again. Okay, I guess. Okay, there is a after this you need to uh, assign this loader dot, you need to set this. Now you need to reload again. Now here you can see my console also working. Here a B console, which is I put here. You can see here is my console B. If I do this, you can see my console like this. Okay, so here is my model. This is my model B model, which is now working fine right now. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video, please subscribe my channel, and please comment below. Thank you so much. I hope you can subscribe my channel, you support me, because if you support me I will make more videos about 3GS, IoT and all lots of ideas. Okay, so thank you so much, nice to meet you.